on 5th of December 2023, which is coming Tuesday, it is Kaal Bhairav Jayanthi. And Kaal Bhairav is one of the fearful form of Shiva. Rudra means it's one of the angry form. And this Kaal Bhairav is very much related to the Ardha Nakshatra, which is known as one of the very much explosive, very much, intense nakshatra. And this day is going to be one of the major day for the people who want to do certain things, or you want to clear out your addictions, obsessions, Rahu malefic energy. Kaal Bhairav is the Lord that can help you. So long story short, Kaal Bhairav was the avatar Shiva took because of Brahma, where Brahma was arrogance, cheating, and also have that pride, over pride and ego within himself. And Shiva took this Kaal Bhairav form and cut off one of Brahma's head to show in the mythological story that too much egos or bad egos, obsessions, pride, arrogance, toxic masculinity, all of the stuff will bring destruction in human life. So for more, of course, you can go and read about the mythological story of Kaal Bhairav and everything. It's pretty much interesting. So on this day, on the 5th of December, you can, for the people, if you are near to the Kaal Bhairav temple, of course, you should go to the temple because it is very much good and obviously blessings. But for the people who are not living near the temple, then you can go to Hanuman temple, Kartigaya temple. Kartigaya is the Lord which is famous in South India, which is called as Murugan as well. And he is the brother of Ganesha. And Shiva temple, obviously, Shiva temple. So on this day, on 5th of December 2023, by going to temple and listen to Kaal Bhairav mantra on this day. So this can actually helps to overcome your obsession, addictions, and all kind of this negative energies that you have within yourself. If you want to clear it out, then this is a very good day to start. Also, not to forget, Kala means time, Bhairav means fear. So he is the Lord of time and he is also the Lord of death. So he is literally holding the time. We don't really have much time in this earth. So we are here to clear off whatever that we came here to do it. So he also represents that as well. The Rudra, the angry form of Shiva, Rudra Tandava. Tandava means a very angry dance, and this can also represent destructions. In Indian, they say when Shiva Tandavam or Shiva Tandava, it means the world is ending. So praying to Kaal Bhairav to clear out, to have that self-confidence, to achieve your goals, or to have courage, to remove addictions, to remove unhealthy obsessions, or you have ego, all of this stuff, then of course praying to him definitely helps. So yeah, thank you.